Hello guys, today I got something special to share with you. Before we dive in, let me clarify that this video is not a sponsor in any way. It's my genuine review of the product I have been using and loving. We all know that owning a high-end smartphone these days can be a hefty investment, and they look stunning without a case, correct? But here's the catch: accidents big or small can happen to anyone, and they can leave your precious tech in shambles. That's where protective case come into play. Now, I'm one of those kind of people that really trying to take care the best that I can on my phone, try to keep it pristine. But if you like me, you may prefer a minimalist approach, opting for either no case at all or a super slim lightweight one that not only shields your phone but also adds a touch of style. Speaking from my years of experience with Apple iPhones, it wasn't until 2022 that I decided to give the PITAKA thin case a shot for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me tell you, I fell in love with this case. Fast forward more than a year, it's still looking sharp. Plus, it is being a lifesaver a few times when my iPhone took an accidental tumble or accidental drop on the floor for some reason, because let's face it, accidents are part of life. Now, with the new iPhone 15 Pro Max hitting the market, I'm thrilled to introduce you the latest innovation from PITAKA, the thin case design specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this case is basically very good. For my experiencing to have one of those cases prior to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And if you open, you're only gonna see probably just the case, but some papers as well for instructions or some other things that can make your feed much better. They include some kind of stickers inside as well to feed better in case your phone is snuggled. But it snuggles very well on iPhone 15 Pro Max. The material that is make this iPhone is made by a ceramic fiber and fusion waving. So it's a very thin case, very strong, feels very good on the hand, look like a fiber carbon as well. It's also compatible with MagSafe, you know, if you wanted to charge in the back. The design, this particular design is one of the unique designs from PITAKA. Now over here in the back, you should be a logo on the other models. This is just now today's logos. Well, today they put the name PITAKA and there instead of the logo. But overall, it's a very strong case. Highly recommended because it does still new even after all those months using with my 13 Pro Max. This particular one is for 15 Pro Max. They actually change a little bit on the bump of the camera on the back from the other model, but probably because the new model for a 15 Pro Max, the camera got a little bit of bump in the back, so it's a little bit bigger, so that way it make more protective. Now when you snuggle this on your iPhone, it goes really easy. It does fit perfectly well. As you can see that all the corners are protected. Of course, it's not a full protection on your phone. It does can damage if it falls in a certain way, but if you like me that is very carefully and no much accident really happen to your iPhone, this is a perfectly case for you, not only to protect it but also with the style, and looks really nice on your iPhone that you wanted to put it in. So whether you like a more robust case for your new cell phone or not, PITAKA shows me by having two of their products a very high-end quality case. I know it is a little bit pricey, but you definitely get an amazing quality as soon as you touch the product. So hope this video was helpful in some way, and let me know in the comments if you own one of those cases or ordered, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.